Hey everybody, Texas Jedi here. This video is going to start a series of videos I would like to call Long Range Rifle on a Budget. As we all know, there's so many rifles out there you can buy, so many add-ons you can add for long range precision shooting. But we're going to do one on a budget for a normal working man who can save up, buy a rifle, save up a little more, buy base and rings, scope, upgrade the stock, or just roll with the stock that it came with, and a couple of adjustments we can do to it to make it a little bit more accurate. We're going to base this build off of a Remington, and we're going to start with the Remington 700 SPS Tactical. 20-inch heavy barrel in the 308 cartridge. The 1 in 10-inch twist comes from the factory with a synthetic overmolded Hogue ghillie green stock. It is already threaded for muzzle brake or suppressor, and this is going to be the first video. Let's see what we got. Comes packaged in styrofoam, obviously. The reason I chose this gun was because of the 700 action. It's tried and true. It is the most popular action in a rifle to date. The Remington 700. It is synonymous with law enforcement and military. Let's get it out of here and take a better look at it. We've got the bolt, which I've already ran some rounds through this to break the barrel in, and it is smooth as silk. We'll be updating this bolt knob to probably a Badger ordnance or something there equal. Just give us a little bit more purchase on that bolt handle. It does come coated from the factory. As you can see, Remington Model 700 AAC-SD, chambered in 308 Winchester, with it's already threaded for suppressor. It's already got the thread cover on it. The stock is, if anybody's held a Hogue overmolded stock, it's pretty much polymer and then coated in a rubber coating. It's got some raised edges around the handholds there, up here. Comes from the factory with 2 sling swivel studs. The bottom metal is plastic, which we'll be changing that out eventually to a metal bottom metal that we can actually use with magazines. There's 3 or 4 companies that are out there that are highly recommended for bottom metal replacements. We got, already comes with the scope base mounting holes. Standard safety and fire selector switch. The butt pad on this is really comfortable. I shot this weekend, put 40 rounds through it. just to break the barrel in. It is the tactical 1 and 10 inch rifling, which is better for heavier loads as far as accuracy goes. Standard ammo I'll be shooting from this will be 168 grain up to 200 grain bullets. We were going to have some videos of mounting and bedding the scope base. We're going to go with TPS 20 MOA scope base and TPS mid-rise rings. We're going to adorn this with a Vortex Viper PST 6 to 20 by 50 scope with mil dot reticle, and we're going to go piece by piece, put this puppy together and get some range time in, and we'll have some range time videos and let's see what she can do. The budget for this build is going to be $1,500, not a penny more. I picked this gun up. I actually got this gun on a trade through a local gun shop. I think you can pick them up for around $650 to $750 if you can find them in the 1 and 10 inch barrel with the 1 and 10 inch twist with the 20 inch barrel threaded. My gun shop was a 3-week order, but he got it, and that's it. So we're going to start off with that and work our way up and see what we can do. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Appreciate it.